So when we go to rationalize these expressions, this is just simplifying a fraction. We're factoring the top. X plus 5 over x plus 2. We're factoring the bottom. 2x plus 5, x plus 5. Okay? And that gives us our correct middle term. And then we're looking to cancel. The x plus 5's cancel. It's got to be the exact thing. And we're just leaving it as x plus 2 over 2x plus 5, and that's my answer. Okay? Up top here, we're looking at 3x, and 2x is the first thing I'm going to try with my 6's. And then 2 and 1. Makes no sense to put a 2 here. So we put the 2 here and the 1 here. 3x times 1 is 3x, 2 times 2x is 4x. How do I get a negative x? By getting it to be negative 4x and plus 3x. Here, obviously 2x and x have to be my factors. And then 3 and 1. Okay, so in this case here, I'm going to have a minus 3. That gives me my negative 6x plus 1. That gives me a positive 1x, negative 6x, and 1x is a negative 5x. And here, 2x plus 1 cancels, and I'm left with 3x minus 2 over x minus 3. I can't stress this enough, guys. I'm not going to give you something in a test where nothing cancels. Something's going to cancel. So be ready for that. Okay. With multiplication, it's the same except some extra factoring. 2x plus 3 times x plus 3 here. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. I already did it, except for the fact that it's 2x plus, it's going to be a 2x minus 1 and an x plus 3. Times over here, we're looking at 2x minus 1, x plus 4. And here we're looking at the 2x and the x. Got 15, we're going to say it's going to be a minus 5 and a plus 3. Okay. I look vertically first. The x plus 3's can cancel. Then I look diagonally. 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. And I'm just left with my x plus 4 over x minus 5. Same deal here. X plus 3, x plus 5. X minus 2, x plus 7. When I factor up top, put the 2x and x in. For 21, I'm going to use 7 and 3. Plus 3 plus 7. On the bottom, we're going to use 3x and x, and then the factors of 3 are 3 and 1. Makes no sense to put a 3 here. Put my 3 here, my 1 here, and make sure my middle term works out. 3x times 3 is 9x, and then the negative 1x, 9x and negative 1x is a positive 8x. And now I'm looking vertically and not diagonally. Vertically, there's nothing. But diagonally, the x plus 7's cancel, and the x plus 3's cancel diagonally. And then we multiply across. You're going to leave your answer like this. You do not need to FOIL it out. And that's my answer. Okay. When you do the division, I really would, don't be lazy with it. Copy the problem over. So yes, that means you have to copy that first fraction over again. And then we're going to flip. I think you're better off flipping and then factoring and simplifying. I'm going to do the same thing with the second one. Heck, you get this on the same page on a test, this is what I'm doing. I am literally copying the first problem down, or the first fraction, and then I'm flipping. Okay. Now I'm going to start with my factor. X plus 4, x minus 2. X plus 5, x minus 2. Here, x plus 5, x plus 6. 2x plus 3, x plus 4. And now I'm simplifying vertically and diagonally. The x minus 2's go vertically. X plus 5 and x plus 5 goes. X plus 4 and x plus 4 goes. And I'm left with x plus 6 over 2x plus 3. Here I'm going to start to factor. 2x plus 5, x plus 3. 3x plus 2, x minus 5. 3x plus 2, x plus 3. And then 2x, we're going to say plus 5, x minus 2. And now there's nothing vertically that cancels. But diagonally, 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5, 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2. I can't stress this enough. X plus 3 and x plus 3 don't cancel. You multiply across. And then x minus 5, x minus 2. Now, I will accept this. What's the better way to probably write that? Go ahead, Mafano. Yeah, that's really the better way to write it. But I will accept both. But I'm going to write that as my final answer. I can't stress this enough, though. You don't cancel going across. Am I clear? Okay, these problems are a gift. If you're given something with a common denominator, write it down. Remember, you've got to distribute the negative. 2x minus 4x, negative 2x. 1 minus a negative 5, okay, is a positive 5, so that becomes plus 6. Once again, technically, could I take a GCF out of here? And we're just going to leave. Okay. Here, when it's addition, we're keeping that common denominator. 4 and 5 is 9, plus 2x. Those problems are a gift. So when we don't have a common denominator, we got to get one. So we're essentially going to take this denominator here, multiply it to the top and the bottom as a form of 1. We're going to take this denominator here and multiply it to the top and the bottom as a form of 1. And right away, I would write down my denominator. X minus 3x plus 2, get it done with. Plus x minus 3x plus 2. So when I get my answer, it's going to be x minus 3, x plus 2. The top is where we do our work. 4x minus 12, I distribute the 4. 5x plus 10. And with a plus sign, there's no distributing. 4x and 5x is 9x. Negative 12 and 10 is negative 2. You take the signs for what they are. Here, x minus 4 over x minus 4. And on the right, 2x plus 1 over 2x, 2x plus 1. Okay, so we get on the bottom, x minus 4, 2x plus 1. On the bottom, we get x minus 4, 2x plus 1. Okay. And now, 7x minus 28, 8x plus 4. And this is where I distribute my negative. First of all, I'm going to put my denominator down. And now we work with our top. 7x minus 8x, negative x. Negative 28 minus 4, it's a minus 32. Okay. Now, could you pull negative out of the top? Yes. We're just going to leave it as it is, though. That's our answer. Okay. We're going to have to factor the bottom. So it's x plus 8, x minus 3. Plus, here, we have x plus 8, x plus 2. What we have to recognize is what's common in both denominators. It's the x plus 8. I don't have to do anything with that. But there's an x plus 2 here, but not here. So I've got to get that in. There's an x minus 3 here, but not here. So I've got to get that in. So my new denominators are x plus 2, x plus 8, x minus 3. And they're going to be this long. That's part of the deal. X plus 8, don't get caught up if they're not in the right order. Order really doesn't matter. And now I'm doing the same thing I did before. 2x plus 4 and 4x minus 12. And my answer, I'm just combining the terms. 6x, 4 and negative 12 is a negative 8. Over x plus 2, x plus 8, x minus 3. I'm going to do one more for you with subtraction. So you can just kind of follow along. 2x is going to be a plus 1 and an x minus 4 here. Minus, in this case here, we have plus 1 plus 5. The 2x plus 1 is common to both problems. So it's going to be x plus 5 I have to get in over here. And it's x minus 4 I got to get in over here. The denominator is x plus 5, 2x plus 1, x minus 4. And make sure you got to write the denominators. It may be a pain in the butt, but it does need to be done. Up top, I'm looking at 5x plus 25. On the right, I'm looking at 3x minus 12. And then my denominator, 2x plus 1, x plus 5, x minus 4. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 25 minus a negative 12, this negative goes to both terms, becomes plus 37.